The surgery was scheduled to be at 6:30 and I got here like at 6. I was just so excited. Afterwards, I couldn't feel anything throughout the surgery. Did not feel anything at all. I didn't even notice what time I like fell asleep, and I slept probably throughout the surgery. And then I woke up and then I just kept talking to like Dr. Pack and all of them. The staff was great as well. They kept me distracted when I was kind of bored since it takes hours, and they kept the conversation going. And then like at 12, they stopped and gave me like a little 10-minute break because I wanted to use the restroom. So they walked me to the restroom. I feel like I was capable of walking on my own, but they walked me all the way just to make sure like that I wouldn't fall or anything. And after that, I came back. They gave me water and juice and then cookies. And we continued with the rest of the surgery, and then thankfully it came out great. So I would recommend it to anyone else because he is amazing. They do a really great job.